me the 800. So we'll shut it down here in a minute. Alright, I had figured out what the problem was. I talked to holley. They gave me a thing saying maybe the crank sensor was too far away. So I messed with that for a little bit, got the sensor a little closer, and then it started reading blue on the LED, but still wouldn't fire up. I did some more research on the forum, and this cam sensor wire, the wires are swapped. Flipped them around and it fired up. So the car is running again. Now we're into the tuning process, which I've got a lot to learn on that, but it's idling at the moment. And go pull the file and look at stuff and try and smooth things out and see what the learn table can apply to stuff. But just a little update that I had figured it out. So if anybody else out there with Terminator X is having some issues, I mean, all I did is unpin the connector and swap the wires and pinned it back in and locked it in, and it fired up. So that's one option to look at. It's just an assembly line harness, so it's not always correct. It got swapped at the main connector at the ECU, but I don't know which pin it is, so it was easier to figure it out up here. Fans come on, run like they're supposed to, went into self-learning at 190 degrees. I just gotta get the laptop cable, that way I can hook it up and let it learn as it goes down the road. But for now, I'm happy, it's running. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.